Hey y'all, it's Diane. Welcome. So this is a 12 by 24 canvas, and I have lots of different thoughts going on in my head, but I think I'm going to try to go for a multiple tree ring pour and see if I can get some clouds in there. I am using the cloud mixture that I found online, which is 50% of the DecoArt Americana Satin Enamel, 50% of whatever your white base paint is. For me, it's Creative Inspirations, and then water to thin. I tried this before on a larger scale and it didn't turn out the way I liked it. I do have Creative Inspirations white background down, so it can have something to move on. I do have 3 cups ready to go, and I will tell you the paints as I go along because I'm going to be doing it to the side. So I am going to put this white mixture in the bottom first, right, because that's what comes out last, and we want our clouds in the middle. The reason I didn't care for it on my previous video, which I may or may not put on YouTube earlier, is because the white took over, and that was because I put too much in on my end, too much. So after that, I'm going to go in with some turquoise, and I'm going just down the sides here because I do not want it to be a dirty pour. So I'm just going like that. And then we're going to go in with some Arctic. And then, if I can get the cap off, we're going to go in with some Lucas Pearl Rose. After that, this is Folk Art Crushed Coral. Again, going for springy colors. And then after that, this is Folk Art, what do they call this? Mad Cow. Apparently Mad Cow is purple. So, some of that. And then I'm going to start over. I have a little bit left of the white. Actually, I'm going to use a bottle. I have it in a bottle, so I'm going to use a bottle. Squirt of that. Oh, and I didn't get my Georgia Peach in. Let me put my Georgia Peach in. And I'm just going to skip the blues and go right to these pinky colors. And I'm going to actually save that one. I don't have a lot of it. We'll go back in with the purple. So I'm doing 3 of these on this 24. And I'm going to go back in with some more white here. I just want to make sure we have enough. And now I will actually go back in here with some of the turquoise and some of the Arctic. So there's 1 cup. Let's start pouring. I'm going to actually I'll be happy if I get anything that looks like clouds in this at all. And if I don't, that's fine. I just wanted to go for the springtime colors. There's one. I may not need three. Let's do two right here. Okay. It's coming out a little fast. Now I'm changing the direction midstream, if you will. See if that helps. Since I don't do this super well, and I admit that. Wish I could make it nice and tight. I don't think we're going to need that third cup, so I'm going to hold on to it. Maybe use that on another pour after this. I am running out of butane. It is low, so. But I want to finish it out of this one because I have a new torch that I'm going to be starting. So, yeah. That's that. We have quite a bit of paint to work with here. I am going to let it sit and hopefully sell up for at least 5 minutes. So I will be right back. Okay, so we're back. And I just let the paint sit there about 5 minutes. I'm really digging the colors together. Looks very cool. I'm going to move some of these paints out of my way so that I can manipulate this hopefully a little easier because it is long. Alright. I did torch it. I just want to bring it all in like to see. Oh, you are pretty close in there. You can see the colors. They look really cool. But I'll keep you back here. So you can see when I tilt, I'm not even sure which way to start with this. I'm not a fan of things that are long. Well, this long. Yeah, we'll see. There's really no way to, I have to move it really slow. I'm gonna move it slow. Now remember, the colors have silicone in them. The white does not. I'm just kind of bringing it, since it went off that one end, I'm kind of bringing it back here. Since the goal is to slowly stretch, we're going to go back and forth. That one end is hitting before this one. Just fine. Ideally, I would like to cover everything. If I have to, I'll go in with that third cup that I did not use because I didn't. And I still don't know how far this will go. I do see lots of cells coming up though in the white part, which in the middle, which pleases me. I see lots of cells in general coming up. Alright, let's take it back. And let's set it down, just look at it for a minute. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to put a couple really tiny circles. And I'm going to let it overlap a little bit. It's fine. It's fine. Gosh, I wish I had something that was pointier. And I wish I had a better hand at this. For me, this isn't going to be something that comes with practice. I know what the problem is. It's my coordination. Okay, so let's go right here. And I'm going to twirl it the other way. Wish we were getting some of the white out, but I think it's at the bottom. And I think I'm going to try and reach down here. Yeah, there's the purple. Actually, there's all the colors. I'm going to travel this a bit. Yeah, there's the colors in that cup. There wasn't a lot of white. So I'm going to actually just take it and use it here at this end. Okay. That's the end of our cups. Let me see if I can torch that a little. Okay. So I'm just kind of gonna take it off the edges. Going around. And back down this way. Oh, all the cells are cool. This is not gonna look like a cloud, but it certainly is gonna look awesome. Now I just need to go back. Let me set that down for a minute. Get a paper towel. That is cool, if I do say so myself, which I do. That is pretty cool, y'all. I really dig it. Man, this in here is awesome. It's all just awesome. It's complete awesomeness everywhere you look. I am done. I'm stopping. Any little spots of white are staying because, frankly, this is just awesome. I can't stop saying it. It's just great. I'm so pleased. I wanted something springy, and this is that. I'm gonna torch it. If I can get my torch to work here. I do not like the little cells. I don't want that. I'm loving these cells. I'm gonna have to take you down for a look. Wait till you all see this. This is just freaking amazing. Something fell in my paint, but I'll get it out, no worries. Get you out. Not sure what you are. Come with me. There you go. Oh my God. It's just gorgeous, people. Let me zoom you in a little bit. this part down here. It looks like opals of all different colors. It is awesome. The whole thing is awesome. Let me put you on pause and I'll take you down for a look. Hey y'all, so I usually like to wait a few minutes to see if any more cells are coming up, but they're coming up as I speak and it's just so fabulous. I just have to take you down. So again, this is a 12 by 24, so it's long, but we're going to start in this corner here. And then we're going to go to my favorite spot on the whole painting, which is this. Look at those cells. How colorful and beautiful that is. It's just gorgeous. And then we go up here. I just love these colors together. No mud, yay me. Right, and then so there, that sort of cloud looking, I think it's because I didn't do it traditionally, you know, but those are puffier, if you will. And there's the right corner, which has its own little unique take. Love it. Trying to not get blurry. So then we'll go over to the left. I love the peach cells up through the purple with the green. I mean, that's the same thing that happened that I showed you down here. And it's happening all over. It's happening here too. I think that's my favorite part of this. I think this was beautiful. It is beautiful, but beautiful color choices, which, you know, you never can quite be sure. I like how this edge is feathering out right there. So I'm going to just let that go. And then back down to the corner again where the peach is coming through the purple with the green in the background. There's my favorite. It just looks like jewels, doesn't it? Please leave me comments and tell me what you think. I just am in love with this. Sorry, I'm going to turn the camera. Trying to get the whole thing now. It's beautiful, and I hope it dries as beautiful. I'm not moving it. It shouldn't crack. It's not very thick, so I'm really not worried about that. Although I might put it in my bun rack, maybe, just to be sure. Here's my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love doing art, and I appreciate that you all subscribe to my channel and watch the videos. It's so much fun. I love paint pouring. So, yeah, have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.